Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up Cluvox Wi-Fi Extender. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the Cluvox Wi-Fi Extender is a device that helps boost your existing Wi-Fi signal, allowing you to get better internet coverage in areas where your main router's signal is weak. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, plug your Cluvox Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait for about 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED turns solid on. This means the device is powered on and ready for setup. On your phone, laptop, or PC, open the Wi-Fi settings. Look for a network name such as Cluvox_EXT or Wi-Fi repeater or repeater setup. Tap or click on it to connect. You don't need any password at this point. Once connected, open a web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. In the address bar, type one of the following and press enter: http://192.168.10.1 or http://ap.setup. This will open the Cluvox Extender login page. On the login page, you'll be asked for a username and password. Enter the default credentials. The username and password is admin. Click Login to access the extender's dashboard. After logging in, the setup page will ask you to choose a mode. Select repeater mode or extender mode to extend your Wi-Fi range. The extender will now search for nearby Wi-Fi signals. After a few seconds, a list of available Wi-Fi networks will appear. Find and select your main Wi-Fi network, the one from your router. Once you select your main Wi-Fi network, you'll be asked to enter its Wi-Fi password. Type the correct password for your home or office Wi-Fi network. Then click Connect or Apply to proceed. The extender will start saving your settings and reboot automatically. This process may take around 30 to 60 seconds. Wait until the LED light becomes stable, usually solid green or blue. This indicates a successful connection with your main router. Setup complete. Your Cluvox Wi-Fi extender is now successfully connected and extending your Wi-Fi network. Enjoy stronger, wider coverage in every corner of your space. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.